Hi guys, welcome back. My name's Eman. So for this Sunday's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create the perfect makeup look for every day. This is going to be all about bringing out your features in the most natural way. So keep watching. So the first thing that I'm doing is prepping my skin with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. I love this as a way to just refresh your skin before doing any makeup. And then I'm going straight into foundation. Today I'm using the NARS Natural Radiance Longwear Foundation and I'm using my beauty blender to apply it. This is definitely one of my favorite ways to apply foundation, but my number one tip for this is you have to wet your beauty blender. I know sometimes people get lazy and they don't want to go wet it. It will make all the difference in the world. It's going to make your foundation go on so much nicer. So I actually like to keep a spray bottle of water just next to my makeup station so I don't have to necessarily get up, but wetting your beauty blender is key. Next, I'm going in with another staple in my makeup kit. It is the NARS Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer. The shade that I use in the concealer is Canal, and the shade that I use in the foundation is Sahel. Since this is an everyday makeup look, I want to try and do this as quick as possible, so I'm just using my beauty blender to blend out all the concealer and the foundation just to make the process go as fast as possible. I'm applying that concealer under my eye area to really brighten that area. This is what's going to make your face look bright and awake. So the next step is probably a step that you guys are going to say, I don't know if I'm going to do this every day for my makeup routine, but I've just become so used to doing contour now that I feel like I look so different without it. So I personally contour my face every day. I'm using just a darker shade of the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. The shade that I'm using is Eman, and I'm using this in all the places that I want to kind of minimize. So I'm using it around my cheekbones, my temple area, around my nose, because those are the areas that I want to make them look smaller. If you guys want to see a full video on how to properly contour, I will link it for you right here so you can check it out. So now that all the cream products are done, we can set everything with powder, which is super important when you're doing your makeup every day because you want it to last. You want it to last from the morning till nighttime. So setting your makeup with powder is going to hold your makeup in place. I like to use a really light powder underneath my eyes, the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, and then I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Now that our face makeup is locked in, I'm going in with bronzer. I love using bronzer every day because I feel that it gives warmth to my skin. It also gives dimension because you can use it to hollow out your cheekbones. Plus it just gives you color, so it makes you look more alive and fresh, especially in the winter months. For eyebrows, I'm using a universal pencil that works on pretty much everyone. It is from IT Cosmetics. It is their Brow Power Pencil. I find that this is a color that works on mostly everyone, and it has just enough waxiness to it so it really sticks in your brows and it doesn't budge. It won't disappear throughout the middle of the day. You don't have to worry about looking in the mirror at lunchtime and all of a sudden your brows are gone. So this pencil stays in place, and for an everyday look, I really concentrate just on the arches of my brows and my ends because that's how you can get a full looking brow in the fastest time possible. You could always set them with a little bit of brow powder if you want. I like to use the one from Benefit, but I definitely recommend using a brow gel just to keep all the hairs in place so nothing budges throughout the day. For an everyday makeup look, I like to keep the eyes very simple, but still give them a little bit of something so the eyes don't look bare, and sometimes that can make you look tired. So this is one of my favorite ways to do a very simple eye look very quickly. I'm taking an angled brush with a little bit of brown or black eyeshadow and just creating a really soft wing on the outer corners of my eye. All I'm doing is starting from the center of my lash line and just gently winging out that shadow towards the outer corner of my eye. I like to follow the natural shape so this looks as natural as possible, and all you're really doing is just enhancing your natural shape so your eyes don't look bare. Once I have that eyeshadow in place, I take a brush and I just really gently blend it out so it's not a harsh line, so it looks a little bit softer and it doesn't look too overdone for a very natural look. For the lips, this is one of my favorite lip combos to do for a very natural everyday makeup. I start by lining my lips with the Laura Mercier Hazelnut Tea lip pencil. This is slightly darker than my natural lip, and then just slightly fill in. And then over that, I'm using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Crush. This is a really light kind of peachy tone. And then on top of that, to finish this very pretty natural lip, I use this gorgeous gloss from Dior, which is one of my absolute favorite glosses. It is the Lip Maximizer Collagen Active Gloss in the shade 002. To finish up the eyes, you want to curl your lashes because this is going to make a huge difference. If you do not use an eyelash curler, you guys, this is the one thing I hope that you take away from this video, because a lot of my girlfriends don't curl their eyelashes and it drives me crazy because it's an instant wake me up for your eyes. So go get yourself a great eyelash curler. The one from Schumacher is really good. And then of course, applying a ton of mascara. So this is my current go-to formula, the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, which is one of my all-time favorite mascaras. I really get this at the roots of my lashes to make sure my lashes look really nice and full. Blush is a must for an everyday makeup. I love blush. It is an instant pick-me-up for your skin. It just makes you look fresh and beautiful. And my current favorite blushes are these from Buxom. These are their new Wanderlust Primer Infused Blush. I love the shade MYKONOS. It is such a pretty peach. It's perfect for every day. To finish off the look, I am using the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter, and the shade that I love is number 50 Rose Gold. It is so pretty on the skin, and I like to apply it in all the key areas to make sure that your skin looks glowing all day long. I also add a little pop in the corner of my eyes and just underneath my brows to finish off this whole look. That is the finished look. I hope you guys love this Sunday tutorial for the perfect everyday makeup look. Be sure to hit that big red subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and also add me on Instagram at Eman, and I will see you guys next Sunday with a brand new tutorial.